A phone shrinking right before your eyes? Headphones are slipping down on the tip of your nose. And a Bluetooth speaker is getting smaller and smaller? There are awesome experiments on gadget size in the Troom Troom class today. Hurry up, we're about to start! Have no idea how to deal with your test? The best way is to take a selfie. Let's post it on Instagram and put a hashtag, "Well, the teacher doesn't see." But unfortunately, the teacher sees everything. Miss Smith's mission in this world is to minimize the number of selfies in class. This is why she decreases our iPhone. Cover a small and thin eraser with white acrylic paint. Color the back pink and paint the sides. Attach clear tape to the printed mini phone screen and fasten it to the white side of the eraser using double-sided tape. Make a central button using a ballpoint pen refill. Draw a camera. Paint an Apple logo silver. How is it possible? My beautiful photos definitely won't fit into this tiny phone. And how can I unlock it? Face ID doesn't work. This phone certainly won't distract us from studying. Miss Smith is not only the most beautiful teacher at our school, she is also the smartest one, because she always reads her e-reader, and when she reads, she forgets about everything around. It's an excellent opportunity to steal her magic wand. While Miss Smith is distracted, we're shrinking her e-reader. Bookius Smallerius! It's worked! Make an e-reader base from thick paper. Trace it twice on a black foam rubber sheet. Print out some text so that it fits the size of the mini e-reader. Attach it to the paper base using double-sided tape. Attach the base to the foam rubber sheet. Cut a frame out of the second piece of foam rubber and attach it on top. Paint the details using a silver color. Miss Smith won't manage to read this book for sure. The font is way too small. She will need a magnifying glass taking into account her bad eyesight, or a zoom option in her phone. If Miss Smith wants a real zoom option, here you are. We increase the photo and the phone. Attach a printed out phone screen picture to a big piece of foam plastic. Round the corners, snipping off the excess. Cut out a base for the back of the phone from thick paper or cardboard. Attach the screen and the base using double-sided tape. Now let's prepare a school board coating. Take plaster, put in black and white acrylic paint, and add some water. Mix everything thoroughly and cover the back of the phone with the mixture. Cut out paper side strips. Spray paint them silver and attach to the sides with white construction glue. Miss Smith can't figure out what to do with this huge phone. Call her friends? She turns it over. Wow! I can write on the back of the giant phone like on a school board. Now it's crystal clear that this smartphone belongs to a teacher. The girls get carried away with magic, so much that a real fight for the magic wand begins. Miss Smith feels all the spells by herself. Her images keep changing like in a kaleidoscope. At last, she loses her temper and writes a stop word on her phone school board. Stop it, girls! Stop it right now! The girls give the magic wand back, and Miss Smith takes back her honored teacher image. We take out a laptop while Miss Smith doesn't see. The new episode of our favorite TV series, Tortures and Horrors in High School Season 5, is just out. I wonder whether they managed to save the principal. But we won't find it out because Miss Smith is already here. Apparently, she loves this TV series too. Otherwise, why does she take away our laptop and mouse, replacing them with their smaller versions instead? Paint an empty makeup box with acrylic paint. Attach a printed out mini keyboard inside. Paint a logo on the lid. Cover the tiny laptop with clear lacquer.